The Early Bird's Secret. Early every morning, a little bird named Tiku woke up before the sun. While the other birds were still snoozing, Tiku sang a cheerful tune and explored the forest. One day, Tiku discovered a hidden patch of the juiciest berries, ripe and sparkling in the early sunlight. Excited, Tiku chirped and shared the secret with friends who woke up early too. The other animals noticed something magical. Mornings became full of laughter, games, and tasty treats. Slowly, more and more forest friends started rising with the sun, discovering hidden wonders everywhere. Moral: waking up early lets you discover secrets that the day hides for the early risers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical stories.